I think it's cool. I like the orange. It's pretty. It's fancy. You know, yeah. The yellow's nice. Makes it feel sporty, you know. When people think about making their car faster, they usually think horsepower. But if you've ever driven on a racetrack, you know suspension is where the magic happens. Because it doesn't matter how much power you have if the tires can't stay planted. That's where KONI comes in. With over 150 years of engineering experience, KONI has become one of the most respected names in suspension. From sports cars and off-road trucks to commercial and even military vehicles, they've built a reputation for one thing: control. One thing I really like about KONI is they don't build generic shocks. Every application is specifically tuned for the vehicle it's going on. So instead of trying to make one shock fit everything, they engineer each setup around the car's weight, suspension geometry, and intended purpose. Most KONI dampers also use a twin tube design, which helps deliver smooth, consistent damping while keeping the ride comfortable over rough roads. And because they're designed as direct replacements, installation is straightforward with OE quality fitment. Now let's take a quick look at their lineup. First up, the STR-T. Think of this as the perfect upgrade over worn-out factory shocks. You get better control, better handling, and improved confidence without beating you up on your daily commute. If you're refreshing your suspension or installing mild lowering springs, this is a fantastic value. Next is the KONI Sport. These are probably the most recognizable yellow shocks in the performance world. They're adjustable, which means you can dial in how the car feels. Softer for everyday driving, stiffer for canyon roads, autocross, or track days. If you're lowering your car and actually enjoy driving it hard, this is a good place to start. Then there's the Special Active. This is one of my favorite pieces of engineering. Using KONI's frequency selective damping technology, the shocks automatically react to what's happening. Cruising down a rough road, they soften up to improve comfort. Throw the car into a corner, they firm up to reduce body roll and improve stability. No buttons, no electronics, it simply adapts as you drive. Pretty cool stuff. And finally, KONI GTS coilovers. If you're looking for maximum adjustability, this is the top of the lineup. It offers ride height, camber adjustment, and rebound adjustment. Everything you need to dial in the car exactly the way you want it. Whether you're chasing lap times or just trying to build the perfect stance, GTS gives you flexibility to do both. At the end of the day, a good suspension setup doesn't just make your car faster, it makes it more predictable, more confidence-inspiring, and honestly, more fun to drive. Marcor Automotive stocks Canada's largest inventory and should be your trusted source for KONI products.